Hey, what's up guys? This is Albert, aka Cryptovert with niftyfarm.com, and I'm excited to share some new additions to the website. Okay, and there's a 5-part crash course for NFT beginners. And the way you could get to it is here. You come to niftyfarm.com. You're going to go ahead and click Creators Start here. And you're going to see a guided learning experience for NFT creators. So I've chalked this full of value. I hope you guys get a ton of value out of it. Here's some of the things you're going to be able to learn as a beginner in this part of the 5-part course. These additional parts are coming, but they're not available yet. You can check out the regular resource pages. But let me walk you through what it looks like in here. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Okay. So I've made it really easy. Step 1, understanding the big picture for NFTs. So we're going to go over what's the big deal with NFTs, basic vocabulary terms, freedom from middlemen. We're going to talk about decentralized concepts, the security implications. We're going to get into what's your responsibility, and then setting some longer term expectations and a commitment to learning. So you're going to click play on this video here. If you have any questions of anything going on here, you can click this button to join the Discord. And when you're done with this video, you can go on to the next video. And there are 5 parts. So it's a little over an hour long in total. I'm super excited to share this with you. At the very end, you'll have a chance to see something else that I'm working on. It's totally optional, but it is a membership for live training via an NFT, a membership NFT. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can just join our free Facebook group, or just use the website for free. But I definitely wanted to create a tiered structure for different levels of creators. So again, guys, I just wanted to create a quick little announcements and share this with all of you. Thanks, guys. Have a fantastic day.